Good morning guys! Welcome to my Facebook page and YouTube channel. At this time, another content tayo. This is the BYD E-MAX 7. This is an all-electric multipurpose vehicle or MPV designed to offer families a blend of sustainability, comfort, and advanced technology. As the first battery electric vehicle or BEV MPV in the Philippines, it sets a new standard in eco-friendly family transportation. Ang kanyang powertrain and performance, ang motor option niya, front-mounted electric motor delivering 163 horsepower standard variant or 201 horsepower superior variant, both with 310 Nm torque. Ayan po, we have two options here. Mayroong isang standard variant na 163 horsepower. Yung isa is superior variant na 201 horsepower. Pero parehas sila na may 310 Nm torque. Ang battery niya, we have two choices. So, yung isa is 55.4 kilowatt per hour blade battery up to 420 km range ang kanyang distance na pwede takboy ng full charge sa battery. Itong 55.4 kilowatt-hour blade battery. Yung isang option ay 71.8 kilowatt-hour blade battery up to 530 km range. Nahulugan kung babiyahe ka ng Bicol to Maynila is sobra-sobra pa yung kanyang battery kasi nasa halos 200 ano lang naman I think 358 ang kilometer from Bicol to Manila. So sobra-sobra pa yung battery niya. So ang charging niya supports fast DC charging enabling quick top-ups during travel. Ang top speed niya ay 180 km per hour. So napakabilis nito, 180 km per hour. Ang kanyang interior and comfort, ang seating configurations available in 6 seaters with captain chairs at yung isang variant available in 7 seaters layout. Yan. Mamili kayo kung 6 seaters or 7 seaters. Ang infotainment niya 12.8 inches rotating touchscreen system with 6 speaker audio, wireless charging, and automatic climate control. Ayan. Ang kanyang additional features, mayroon siyang panoramic glass roof sa superior variant yan, at meron siyang leather upholstery and power adjustable ventilated seats. Dyan po yan sa superior variant. Ang safety in driver assistance, ang standard safety 6 airbags, may traction control, may electronic stability control, may tire pressure monitoring system, at meron siyang tinatawag na ISOFIX child seat anchor. Ang kanyang Advanced Driver Assistance System or ADAS, ito ay matagpuan sa superior variant. Meron siyang adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection. Ayan, may blind spot detection kaya iwas bunggo, iwas aksidente kung may masasagasaan. Ang rear cross traffic alert with automatic braking yan. Automatic yung kanyang braking. Land departure assist and emergence lane keep assist. And predictive and rear collision warning. Ayan. Yan po yung mga advanced driver assistance system niya. At ang kanyang dimensions in design, ang dimension niya is 4,710 mm ang length times 1,810 mm ang kanyang width by 1,890 mm ang kanyang height. So ang wheelbase niya ay 2,800 mm. So ground clearance 170 mm. Ang wheel niya ay 17-inch two-tone alloy wheels with 225 by 55 R17 tires. And ang kanyang design, sleek exterior with chrome accent and LED lighting. We have reflective BYD's modern design language. And technology and convenience naman, ang vehicle to load o V2L allow the E-MAX 7 to power external devices and appliances. Ang ibig sabihin, kung may mga gusto kang may charge ng mga appliances, pwede mo sa kanyang i-charge doon sa external, doon sa saksakan ng kanyang charging. Ang additional tech niya is 360-degree camera system. Ako, napakaganda ito, 360-degree camera system. We have PM 2.5 air filtration system, may powered tailgate, may NFC card-based lock-unlock functionality. Ang kanyang pricing in warranty in the Philippines, ang variant niya in prices, premium 6-seaters, 55.4 kilowatt per hour, approximately sa ano to, sa ibang bansa to, pero dito sa Pilipinas, aabutin ito ng mga 1,400,000, more or less. Yan po yung pricing niya. So, we have premium 6-seaters, may premium 7-seaters tayo, tapos may superior 6-seaters, superior 7-seaters, mas mahal ito. Okay? Mas mahal ito. So, yan po. At ang warranty niya up to 80 years or 160,000 km depending on the component with 6 years of roadside assistance. Ayan. So yan po yung mga features ng BYD E-MAX 7. So BYD E-MAX 7. Ito po yung latest model ng BYD. Ito ang BYD E-MAX 7. At nandito ako sa loob ng sakyan para i-test drive. Actually, hindi ako nagde-drive. Yung isa sa mga ahente ng BYD. Ma-experience ko lang kung gaano ka comfortable itong BYD E-MAX 7. I-try daw idan mamaya sa lubak kung talagang hindi matagtag.
For your safety, please fasten the seat belt.
Seatbelt. Okay. May voice command pa. Medyo mainit. Okay na bang aircon? Medyo malamig yung aircon. Ano lang pala yung ano niya, no? Hindi siya, pero normal na, no? Dashboard. May 7-seaters ito, no? Pero mas mahal yan, mas mura. Ano po? Yung 7-seaters.
Ano po yun? 3.3 yung tank.
Hi BYD, please open all windows.
Sorry, I didn't understand. Please put it in another way.
Hi BYD, please open all the windows. Oh, very good. Hi BYD, please close all windows. Yan, ito po yung BYD E-MAX 7. Yan. Meron siyang 6-seaters na variant at meron siyang 7-seaters na variant. At test drive kami dito sa off-road.